McClure Tables, made with pride in the USA, would like to welcome you to a brief factory tour. Starting with the wood, we have one of the lowest environmental impacts of any shuffleboard manufacturer in the world because the maple wood all comes from Michigan, our own backyard. After the wood has been ripped to size, it will need to be processed through the planer and then chopped, and then it will be laid up and mocked up into dry boards and then transferred over to the state-of-the-art radio frequency press where the boards will be glued up. All of our boards are processed in-house. McClure Tables is one of the few shuffleboard factories that actually manufactures your shuffleboard tabletops. Many factories simply make cabinets and contract out this most important part of the manufacturing process, the board playing surface. After the boards have been glued up, they will need to be going through our planer and sander, and they will be sanded to an exact thickness. The workers will carefully inspect them along the way to make sure that they meet the specifications, and then the boards will be cut off to the length for the desired table. Some of the tables, like the old Rockolas, are stamped and numbered by hand. All must be marked, and then they require the finish process. Most tables we use a traditional finish that is sprayed on but still has a lifetime warranty and is actually faster and more durable than the poured epoxy finish. However, if you order a custom logo, those are put on with vinyl, and because of the thickness of the logo, we must use the poured epoxy polymer type finish that you see us applying here. When it comes to the cabinetry, all of the cabinets are made by hand by one master furniture maker. Here you see Jose gluing up the legs. This wood has been hand selected and color grain matched. These are all being done by hand. And each table is done from the selecting of the wood to building the entire cabinet to building all of the parts that need to go into the legs and other machine parts by one master furniture maker who will hand his work off with pride to the finish department, where special dyes and stains are applied by hand, and then the sealer coat will be applied over the top with spray gun. All climatic adjusters are set at the factory before the table leaves our factory. McClure Tables is made in Grand Rapids, Michigan, once known as the furniture capital of America, with a rich history of fine furniture makers. Handcrafted with pride in Michigan, McClure Tables.